Chapter 6 The Dabbawalas of Mumbai. Dressed in Spartan white, with a starched white Gandhi cap on his head and a red tilak on his forehead, the Dabbawala is a familiar sight on the crowded streets and local trains of Mumbai. Each Dabbawala is part of a team of 5,000 Dabbawalas who deliver 2 lakh tiffin boxes of freshly cooked lunches across Mumbai and its suburbs every day. These have become an integral part of the city's culture. The first Dabbawala was hired about 125 years ago in the late 19th century by a banker who wanted to have hot home-cooked food in office regularly. The idea caught on quickly and there was an increasing demand for dabba delivery. Seeing the opportunity, Mahadev Hawaji Bachche organized a team of 100 Dabbawalas in its present-day format, a format that has remained almost unchanged since Hawaji first created the dabba coding system based on color alone. As the city grew, so did the demand for dabba delivery, and the coding system evolved to include letters and numbers. A Dabbawala's day starts early. He must bathe and offer prayers, adorn his forehead with a tilak, and then he is out on the street with his bicycle by 9 a.m. The Dabbawala's bicycle is no ordinary one. Its carrier is designed to carry as many as 30 tiffins at a time. By 10:30 a.m., our Dabbawala has collected tiffins from all the homes on his beat, mostly from multi-storied buildings where he often climbs up and down stairs because there are no lifts. Now he must deliver these tiffins to offices, some of which are 40 kilometers away, through potholed roads, traffic and the Mumbai monsoon. No excuses for delays and absences. In the first phase of his journey, the Dabbawala reaches the nearest local railway station to meet Dabbawalas from different areas. Here, dabbas are sorted into groups for offices in different areas before being loaded into head crates. The dabbas are handed over to other Dabbawalas going to different parts of the town. They are loaded on to different local trains with the help of the codes marked on the top of each tiffin. Our Dabbawala joins one of these teams and now he is carrying dabbas that do not belong to him. Imagine this. Each crate has as many as 60 dabbas carried on the head of the Dabbawala as he climbs up and down railway bridges and rushes on to railway platforms. The Dabbawala must catch the right train or the tiffins will be late, and that is inexcusable. It is only when they are travelling on the trains that these diligent Dabbawalas may relax and exchange a joke or two. Soon it is time to get back to work as each team reaches their station. Once he gets down at the station, our Dabbawala must hurry for it's nearly 12 o'clock. Outside the station, the tiffins are sorted once more. Our Dabbawala hands over some tiffins to other teams while others are handed to him. Now the tiffins are loaded on handcarts and pushed through the busy streets of the city. Pedestrians make way for these carts, for they too know that time is important. Each team member is assigned one building and he delivers his set of tiffins by 1 p.m. Now he gets together with other Dabbawalas to have his own lunch. But wait, the day's work is not done. The tiffins must be collected and the process is repeated again in reverse till the tiffins reach their homes. It is 6 p.m. by the time our Dabbawala has returned the last tiffin, 9 hours of grueling work. Most Dabbawalas come from villages around Mumbai and almost all of them are semi-literate. Yet they have a strong sense of pride in their work. They know that their network depends on trust and teamwork. This has brought recognition to them from all over the world. They were even invited to Prince Charles' wedding as a sign of his appreciation of their work. The Dabbawalas of Mumbai have achieved a 6 Sigma rating for their work, which means that the chance of mistake is only 1 in 6 million. Students from universities around the world come to Mumbai to study their method. Richard Branson, the famous businessman, explorer and owner of Virgin Atlantic Airlines, travelled with the Dabbawalas for 1 full day to deliver a huge tiffin to his employees at the Virgin office in Mumbai. Spartan, here simple with no decorations. Suburbs, an area outside the main city where people who work in the city live. Integral, main or important part of something. Format, a plan or an arrangement. Evolved, developed slowly over a period of time. Beat, an area for which a person is responsible for work. Pothole, holes on a road surface. Phase, a step or stage in some work. Diligent, careful and using a lot of effort not to make mistakes. Sorted, correctly organized according to type. Pedestrians, people walking on roads. Assigned, gave some work or duty to someone. Grueling, very difficult and tiring.